We'll guide you through how to make motion blur in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to create professional-looking motion blur effects without using complex software. Begin by opening the Photopea website in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome via the Windows search, or double-click the Google Chrome shortcut. Wait for Google Chrome to open completely. Hover your cursor over the search bar. Click and wait until the cursor change. Then carefully type Photopea. Then press the Enter key to start the search. Let your browser load the search properly. Once results appear, select the top option, 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗏, and you will be directed to the homepage. Before starting editing, prepare the photo you want to add a motion blur effect to. Click the Open from Computer option, browse to where your photo is saved, select it, and click Open to begin editing. When the editing page appears, look at the toolbar on the left side and find the Object Selection tool. Use it to select the object you want to retain. In this example, it is a girl. Since the subject is human, use the Select Subject feature, click it, and wait for the automatic selection to finish. After completion, ensure the object is perfectly selected. Then press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selection onto a new layer above the background. Next, convert the background layer into a smart object, then add a motion blur effect to it by going to the Filter menu and choosing the Motion Blur option. Set the distance value to maximum for a strong effect. Your edit is now ready to export, but try creating several variations with different motion blur settings, and explore other tools to enhance your work. When applying the motion blur, consider the direction angle to match the scene's natural movement, which can make the effect look more realistic. You may also duplicate the blurred layer and adjust opacity for subtle variations. Experimenting with layer blending modes can further enhance depth and motion perception. Keep your workflow organized by renaming layers clearly, especially when creating multiple versions. This helps you quickly compare results and choose the best outcome. Once satisfied, export in your preferred format, such as JPG or PNG, depending on needs.